My baby beardie eating greens. See if he'll do it since I got the camera on. Probably not. Well, there you go. Get you done now, baby. I wish I could capture his colors. His colors are sick. Well, rate, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Well, no, I'm not out. Check me out on Facebook at Knuckles Reptile. Give me a like. Knuckles Reptile. Knuckles Got Hurt. Friend request. Knuckles Got Hurt community. Join the group. Just talk informative. I'm just building, so not a lot of activity right now. But if you can do that, that'd be great. Rate, comment, subscribe. Peace.